Day and night. Toss and turn. I don't know the words. Where are we going? Ooh, I've never been down here. Don't they have like an elevator thing?
Yeah, I rode it.
I want to go on it.
Your aunt rode in it too.
Oh, I really want to go on it.
Oh, there's a whole
Wait,
window.
let's make it look like we're gonna dun dun. Like, make the music. Dun 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 dun. Now I gotta do dun 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 dun. Pants are falling. Dun 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 dun. There's a body. Where? Right there. I'm in the grill. Now we have to go through the forest.
Oh, what's that block?
Who wrote on it with Sharpie?
Oh, it's not Sharpie. It's engraved.
What is this? And then we...
What the heck is that? Oh, I was like, who is Marjorie?
Is it?
Oh, I thought that blew into the bag.
A bus! Gotta be sneaky.
We're walking in the middle of an open area. It's not that sneaky.
Look at all these clovers.
Okay. Scooby-Doo.
Day and night.
We need to take pictures since we're both wearing yellow later.
Okay.
We should take pictures of this mirror.
This mirror.
Hey.
Yes. Doggy. I know.